everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create these 3D lips, so let's get into it. So to start off, I did take my non-stick hand extension nail gel from Born Pretty and I'm just molding on the teeth first. I know you kind of are inclined to do the lips first, but I really wanted to give it that dimensional look, so I'm starting off with each individual tooth. In between each tooth, I did cure it just so they don't mold together when I'm sculpting them onto the nail. Going in with the second one now, I also at the top of the teeth, I flatten them out a bit just so it's not sticking out too much from the nail when I put the lips on. For the teeth beside those, I did do little canines, I did do them sharper. I just wanted it to give a vampy vibe. I did the other side off camera, and now that we're finished with the teeth, I am going in with the lips. So I did take a large piece and I thinned out the sides a little bit before placing it on the nail, and this way it's tapered in on either side. And then I did bulk it up a bit and push in the center there towards the teeth just so it would make a cupid's bow, and I shaped the bottoms a little bit. For the bottom part, I did do a thinner bottom lip and I placed that on as well, tapering it out at the corners. For the tongue, I made a little piece and I tapered it near the end and I placed it in the mouth and draped it out a little bit, and I did shape the tongue a bit, but my camera did die unfortunately, so I missed all this footage. But you're curing in between every step, by the way. And for the cherry, I put a little ball on her tongue and I used my tool to poke a hole, cured that, and then I took a long piece, bent it a little bit and cured it. This is the cherry stem. So once that's done, I did do a big final cure into the lamp, and we're gonna go straight into painting. So I took this beautiful red gel color and I painted her lips and the cherry. And for her tongue, I'm taking this gorgeous pink and I did paint it onto her tongue, making sure not to get it on any of the other pieces. For the stem, I did do a green color. So I did do 2 coats of this just because I thought the white was peeking through a little bit, so I did make it a little darker and I added some black to the color. For the lips, after everything's cured, I am going in with some black pigment powder and I am kind of making an ombre lip moment just to make it extra vampy. I do wish that I did leave it just red. I think I liked the red a little better. So you can skip or add this step in if you wanted, or do different colors. I'm going in with a brush and some alcohol just to wipe off the pigment from the places I don't want it, like on the teeth and on the tongue. I went in with a defining brush and I made a little bit more detail on the lip, and I'm going in with the same kind of color from the tongue mixed in with clear to do right under the lip on top of the teeth to do the gum kind of vibe. After that's finished, I cured that and I'm going in and defining all those details with the top coat, making sure everything is nice and seamless and shiny and pretty. And once that's done, fully cured, and boom, there you have it. You have this beautiful Valentine's Day nail. I really do love this nail, and you guys voted it #1 on Instagram, so that's why I'm posting it first. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, don't forget to subscribe to see all of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!